seeing some weird lightning stuff going on. Not just what you see in the clouds, but almost like hitting pinpoints of something. Like it's hitting something in the cloud itself. Sounds crazy. Little pinpoints of light, U-shaped lightning that goes out and comes back into the cloud. And then obviously how often it's happening, I don't know if that's a thing. It seems unusual for this area for it to happen that often, that high and low, but again, I don't know that. And I know my camera's not catching everything. It should. Here comes my son. Whoa. I'm documenting this because it's strange activity.
That looks pretty cool.